Hey guys, so we just pulled up to Cosmoprof right now and I am going to look up some of the colors that I need to get. So this is day in life of a hairstylist. Number one. So we have to do 2 days of appointments just in case I don't have it at the salon already. So I pretty much know what I have, and then I just need to go, like I said, through like what ideals are as far as their wants, and then I know how to kind of like where they're gonna lift and then where am I gonna have to tone. So I already have bleach at the salon, definitely, and then I just need to go and look at a few pictures and make sure that I get colors for them. So yeah, so normally, like, it's supposed to be like that. Oh! And I was like,
That's kind of cute.
it was from Walmart.
But like that's like the way you do stuff.
That's a good idea. But sometimes it just makes you feel like, okay, got a little bit too much ruffles happening here. That's fine. That's so funny. You're like, you get to use 4 sprays from mine. What was that? You're like, you get to use 4 sprays from mine.
Well, I just told her today I went in, I have liner. And I was like, can I use your liner today and tomorrow? And I'm like, I'll bring you a whole bag. She's like, yeah, that's fine. I was like, maybe some foils too. And then I found a whole bunch. I was like,
And that's what it's good.
well, because I'm going to be working until basically they close. And then I work at 8 tomorrow morning. So then it's like, they don't even open. Yeah.
Do you have another one after this?
I have 2 more.
Oh, good!
Are you here late?
We'll have to also, I just don't know what we're doing on the second version, so.
Mine's just, my first one is just a color touch up, and my second one is just an all over color. So
Okay.
they won't be great. Thank you.
I love your jumpsuit. Is that a jumpsuit?
Yeah.
So cute.
Thank you. I got it. She's got my website on her phone so she can give you that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna send it to you right now.
It's the first little guy.
I'm Sandy.
Sandy. Oh, it's like double thing. Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Yeah. All right, let's go get your wash.
Okay.
Because you can still think. You want to sit at?
Oh, it's like your actual name?
Well, it's my website. I don't know what the other thing's called, but the option's on there. It's the
Oh, so
first-
you have like your hair and stuff like that all.
Yeah, yeah. Does it make sense now? Sandy?
It just, it shows like the pencil.
Okay, click on lashes.
Oh,
Yeah, and then when it says bundle, that's meaning if you want the scissors. It's about 3 inches, more or less 4. It shrinks up a tiny bit when it's dry. Is that gonna be okay with you?
no, that's fine.
Okay.
See, that's a better spot.
There you go. Yeah, I accidentally forgot, and then here we are.
Like this,
That
yeah.
happens.